10 years, I have seen how India has grown when it comes to these qualifications. We have a massive team who helps students connect with companies, and we've had an explosion in the last few years of students as ACCAs wanted by the industry. We've had students who have not completed their full ACCA, don't have any work experience yet, and they are getting hired at a 10 lakh package in a multinational. We have companies rather, multinational companies who have changed their hiring policy to adjust for ACCAs to help them with not only obviously match the work with what you study, but also things like your exam leaves and the pay package. All of that is adjusted. So the market has really embraced ACCA over the last so many years, and because there are thousands of students and every year we'll end up placing hundreds of them since they're all graduating from ACCA. Companies, of course, earlier it was the big four, which is Deloitte, KPMG, PwC and EY, but now there's Grant Thornton, BDO, which are the big six, and then there is a bunch of companies, including Indian companies, including banks. So there's Motilal, there is HDFC, there are multinational companies you might have not heard of like ACES. It just goes on, and how many people are getting hired, and the profiles that you can get hired into audit, into forensic audit, into advisory, accounting advisory, consulting, finance, accounting roles. It just goes on and on. CFA, once again, #1 in finance, been recognized in India and across the world since decades. So you talk about the top finance companies, talk about Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, talk about again Motilal as well, Anand Rathi. Once again, the pay packages explode. They can start as anywhere from 5-6 lakh and go to 15 lakh, 18 lakh, 20 lakh, depending on the amount of experience you have, as well as if you've completed all the 3 levels or not. Finally, CPA, once again, applicable across all these companies, Big 4, Big 6, banks, and especially American companies. There's Genpact and Capgemini, even Apple and Amazon. Everyone here in India are open to hiring CPAs because it's a US-based qualification. Sometimes you're a chartered accountant, so the pay package can start at 10 lakhs and any number that, depending on you as a candidate.